The hospitality industry is a massive $500 billion market, but it's still stuck using incredibly outdated software systems.
It's true. I've spent over a decade in luxury hotel operations, and the technology gap is frustrating for both the staff and the property owners.
You're building something called X-Trip AI to fix this. Why has legacy hotel tech failed to evolve over the last few decades?
Legacy systems are purely cloud based with no offline backup. If the internet goes down, the hotel loses control of guest services, which is a total disaster.
And I'd imagine the costs to integrate all those different siloed systems like locks and payments must be astronomical.
Exactly. Hotels spend $40 to $80,000 a year just trying to make disjointed systems talk to each other. We solve that with an edge native OS.
Walk me through the architecture. You mentioned three layers, starting with an AI concierge suite.
Right, that's the OmniTrip agent. It handles guest requests in any language and has actually boosted non-room revenue by over 20% in our resorts.
Then you have the control engine and the actual hardware. How does the edge compute factor into the guest experience?
Since we use local NVIDIA hardware, there's zero latency. Plus, all guest data stays on site, which makes complying with strict privacy laws much easier.
You've also developed physical hardware like smart locks and NFC cards. Isn't it risky to get into the hardware business?
It's actually our biggest advantage. Software-only companies have no loyalty, but once we're embedded in the physical room, our retention rate stays above 98%.
The results from your Bali resort were impressive. You saw a 42% drop in labor overhead, right?
We did. And we also cut energy costs by over 25% using smart sensors. For asset owners, it's about turning a hotel into a high-yield digital asset.
Your business model seems to rely on both SaaS licensing and hardware sales. Is that how you're scaling so quickly?
We have monthly per-room fees and take a small percentage of direct bookings. We've already contracted over 250,000 smart rooms globally.
What's the roadmap for the next few years? I see you're targeting the Middle East and North America next.
We're solidifying our lead in Southeast Asia first. By 2027, we'll be in major luxury projects like Neom in Saudi Arabia.
You're currently raising a $30 million Series A. Where is that capital going to be deployed?
The bulk goes toward global expansion and R&D for our hardware and small language models. We're building the infrastructure that the hospitality industry is missing.
It sounds like you're creating a whole new asset class for real estate investors by making these properties fully autonomous.
That's the ultimate goal. Every room should be generating predictable, automated profit through integrated AI.
It's a fascinating shift from generic AI to something so vertical and specialized. Thanks for sharing the vision with us today.
Thanks for having me. It was a pleasure to talk about where this industry is headed.